G'day, welcome to Shock Talk 15, and in this particular one is you're more than the sum of your parts. So in this particular one I want to discuss regarding if you're in a small community as a small sole trader in the phone or PC world, you are going to be offering advice more than just what you know. So what I'm meaning by that, or more than the services you offer. So for example, someone comes in and they go, I need a website developed, who can I see? From here, you're basically acting as a directory to people that you may know in your community that do this work. Personally, I don't do any web developing. There's a couple of people I do know that do, and also do web hosting that I can go, okay, here's the contact information for this person, go see them. Or they'll come in and go, oh, I wouldn't mind getting some home security installed, what do you recommend? And I'll say, sorry, I don't deal with that. I know of this device, this business, they're able to help you. Hopefully most of this stuff, if you're in a small community of under, let's say 20,000, I live in a town of around 10,000, that you can point to other local businesses that people can contact that will be able to assist them with what they require. The biggest thing people hate is a dead end. So if you give someone a straight up, no, I don't know, it's usually not a good sign. But if people come in and they go, okay, I want my screen replaced, and you can go, oh, I've replaced your screen. Do you notice you get spam messages? And you go, oh yeah, I do get plenty of those. Oh, are you on Android? Yes. Oh, well, download Google Messages and enable the spam filtering. From there, you just gave them a little bit of extra service that they didn't expect, that they didn't anticipate. It's going to make them very happy with your overall service and will either be coming back to you or potentially being a first point of call for most tech-related questions. That's what I found is currently in the last few months, spam calls have gone up, spam messages have gone rampant, viruses I find in PC world have dropped dramatically. Most people go, what do I recommend for an antivirus? I go, I just use Windows Defender, it's perfectly fine for what I do, but I do have Google Messages and Google Dialer installed on my Android phone. And from there that filters out most of the junk that I would typically get in a day. I find just a little bit of extra service makes people a lot happier. Someone comes in for a screen replacement. Oh, by the way, I cleaned out your charger port. Was that a bit hard to charge? Oh yeah, it was actually. Oh, thanks for fixing that up for me as well. So simple couple of second things can make people a lot happier and get a lot more than what they originally anticipated. So I find the other one is just simply putting tempered glass on new iPhone repairs. Someone comes in, they go, okay, how much for a repair? Yep, it's $100. Oh, how much for the tempered glass? That's included in that job. If you were to buy it separately, it's $10. And they go, oh, that's great. They got something they didn't expect. Or they come in for the repair, ask to get the repair done. They look at it and go, oh, you got tempered glass? I go, yeah, it's one on there. They're stoked with that. People are very happy with that. So I find being able to offer that little bit of extra service, but also being able to connect people to other things or other places in the community. I find quite a few times there might be a tech-related question that I can't answer. I'll know that this particular person can help them, and they've got a business, I can just point them to them, or I can go check out this, or use these search terms and do some research. I find if you just give those people a little bit of extra information than what they anticipated, even the fact of some people coming with brand new iPhones, they're broken. Oh, have you gone down the insurance path? Oh, I forgot all about that. Thank you. Talked myself out of a sale many times doing that, brought it in with a new phone, it's broken, that one's going to be crazy money to fix. Oh, have you got insurance? Oh yeah, I do. Thanks. Bam. Now they've left as a happy customer. Granted, I didn't make any money. Granted, I didn't really waste too much time. If I sat there for 45 minutes helping a customer and earned nothing out of it, I'll be a bit disappointed, but it is what it is some days. But if that whole conversation took 2 minutes while I was already repairing another device, I didn't really lose out. I haven't got another thing to do in the pile. So some days I find just managing what I've got on the shelf and what I can do, and jobs that I physically can't do. So brand new iPhones, can't repair them, send them back under warranty. So I find try and do that little bit of extra stuff for your community. May take another 2% of your time to be able to do that. But hopefully you've got 2% of your time to spare to make people leaving your store leave with a smile on their face and extremely happy when they have to come back in and see you even when terrible things happen to their devices, to their computers, to their data, they're happy to see your face as the one helping them. Anyway, that'll do, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.